Most armies don't lose wars because of bad weapons. They lose because commanders can't adapt, communicate, or decide fast enough. A tank crew can't fix bad orders. And drones can't correct a broken plan. When leadership fails, units stall, supplies stop, and initiative dies. The strongest armies trust leaders at the lowest level by way of mission command. Weak military centralize everything and react too late, which can be deadly. This is why professional non-commissioned officers win fights. They adapt when plans break. Technology amplifies leadership. It will never replace it. Bad weapons can still win with good leaders. But great weapons fail under bad command.
Thank you for watching Warpath Chronicles. Like, share and subscribe.